In this tutorial, I will illustrate how to draw a file folder in Inkscape version 0.45. Let's begin. First, I'll draw a rectangle. I'll duplicate this and add rounded corners to this one. I'll align both of these. I'll move the rounded rectangle up higher. That gives us an effect of straight corners at the bottom and rounded corners at the top. I'll duplicate the bottom. We'll use that later. I'll duplicate the top. We'll use that as our tab. I'll combine both of these to one entity. I'll now stretch this to make our tab. That looks about right. Now I'll combine these shapes together. The front part of our folder will change colors just so we can see it. And I'll line these two together. I'll change the front folder to a path and give it perspective. There we go. I'll now illustrate some paper. I'll send it back. Okay, now we need to change the color of our file folder. Something a little bit more realistic. Okay, I'll duplicate the back, change its color to black, and give it a blur effect. 3 ought to do. We'll move it behind. I'll duplicate the front cover, change its color to black, give it a blur effect. Move it back. I'll duplicate the paper. Make it black. Give this a blur effect. And I'll lower it behind the paper. I'll take the whole thing and group it. And there it is. We have a file folder. Thank you for watching. I'm HeathenX.